Welcome to the world of Panasonic, the #1 appliances brand in Japan. Let me introduce you to the feature-loaded 8 kg fully automatic front-load washing machine from the MF1 range. This machine comes with a 5-star energy rating. This smart washing machine just got smarter with Panasonic's MirAIe app, which gives you a host of IoT benefits. It also lets you operate the washing machine from anywhere in the world. The convenient and hassle-free Wash Wizard feature available on the MirAIe app understands and chooses the best wash requirement for your clothes. With the app, you can also customize the wash options and save them as favorite for use next time. Alexa, please wash the clothes in rapid wash mode. Yes, you heard that correctly. You can give commands to Alexa or Google Assistant for choosing a wide variety of options on the washing machine. You can also choose directly from a broad menu of 16 preset wash programs and let the machine's intelligence take over to treat your fabrics in the best way possible. If you're looking for a washing machine that gives you the right mix of a power-packed performance with gentle care, then this machine is the best pick for you. This machine offers 1400 RPM of spin power to dry clothes more effectively while also ensuring strong cleaning. The built-in inverter technology provides amazing benefits like reduced noise and vibration levels, greater energy savings, and a wider power output range. Do you need to wash your lucky white shirt before your very important meeting? Well, this machine comes to your rescue again. Use the Brisk wash feature to get rid of stains in just 15 minutes. The helpful pause and add feature comes in very handy in case you are as forgetful as I am. This feature lets you pause the machine during a wash cycle, add more clothes, and resume it. The Hexacube drum is designed to prevent your clothes from getting trapped and tangled. The small water holes present inside the drum also enable tiny water flows to penetrate inside the fabric for better cleaning. The effective built-in heater maintains a high water temperature to not only wash stains that are hard to remove with cold water, it also eliminates up to 99.99% bacteria while removing stubborn grime. Amazing work goes on behind this closed glass door, isn't it? You can also utilize this one-touch service and self-diagnosis for understanding a host of features that this machine has to offer. Daily laundry just got smarter, healthier, and more efficient with the MF1 series of fully automatic front loads from Panasonic.
Panasonic.